For years, you've been fed a lie about attraction. A simple three-word phrase that is quietly and totally sabotaging your success. And today, we're gonna expose it. You know the one. You've heard it a million times, right? Just be yourself. It's supposed to be the golden rule, the best advice anyone can give. But what if it's a complete trap? Because here's the part they always leave out. If your current self is kind of lacking purpose or confidence or standards, well then, being yourself is the absolute worst thing you could possibly do. It's the whole problem. So if that old advice is a total dead end, what actually works? Well, the real rules of attraction are way more powerful than you've been led to believe, and we're breaking them all down right now. Okay, here we go. These are the 5 fundamental rules of attraction that most guys learn way too late. And you're going to want to pay very close attention because rule number 3, trust me, that one changes the entire game. So, rule number 1 is all about understanding your true currency. Society is constantly telling you it's about how much money you have and how you look. But honestly, that's just a distraction. The most powerful currency in attraction, by far, is genuine confidence. And I'm not talking about arrogance. I mean an unshakable belief in your own worth. And just look at this. Looks might get you in the door. Money can definitely buy a certain lifestyle. But true confidence, it creates this magnetic pull that nothing else can even compete with. It absolutely towers over everything else. It's not even close. Now for rule number 2. And this is where things get a little weird. Being too available, too eager, it's a massive turnoff. It's this strange paradox of attraction. The less you seem to need it, the more you get it. Why? Well, because constant availability just signals that you don't really have a compelling life of your own going on. This trying too hard energy is the number 1 mistake guys make on a first date. It's that desperate need for approval, and it just screams neediness, which is the polar opposite of confidence. It's not just unattractive, it's like repellent. So being too available is a bad look, but it's recoverable. There's one mistake, however, that most guys make and they never, ever recover from. It is the silent killer of all attraction. And here it is, rule number 3. The unforgivable mistake is having no standards. It's when you put someone else up on a pedestal, accepting any and all behavior just because you're afraid of being alone. And this is such a critical distinction. A so-called nice guy is often just a pushover who's looking for validation. But a man with standards, he's kind, he's respectful, but he also has lines that you just cannot cross. He respects himself first, and that is what commands respect from other people. Okay, let's move on to rule 4, the modern-day minefield, texting. The rules here are actually super simple. Don't send novels, don't reply instantly every single time, and never, ever forget. The only goal of texting is to meet in person. It's a tool, it's not the destination. And all of this leads to the final, and honestly, the most powerful rule of all. You cannot make another person the center of your universe. You have to first build a life that you find interesting, with hobbies, a purpose, friends, goals. You have to be the main character of your own story first. This right here is the core secret to everything. Attraction isn't something you go out and chase down. It's a byproduct of who you're becoming. When you're focused on building your own life, your own little empire, you just radiate this sense of purpose that is absolutely irresistible. Because when you get this, you stop playing the game and you start building a life. The focus shifts from how do I get her to how do I become the best version of myself? And that's really the ultimate takeaway here. The goal isn't the search, it's the construction. Build yourself into a person of value with standards and a mission. And the entire dynamic of attraction just reverses in your favor. So, let me ask you, which one of these rules hit you the hardest? Which one did you have to learn the hard way? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one.